The coronavirus pandemic has thrown social and economic structures of the world into complete disarray. The world will take a long time to recover and heal. How we deal with the COVID-19 pandemic crisis and how we emerge from it will determine the new structures of global social and economic order. Mission Better Tomorrow, or MBT in short, is a social transformative movement started by several social organizations and guided by the visionary police officer, Inspector General P. Vijayan.
I am happy to know that at this time of unprecedented distress, pain and hardships, Mission Better Tomorrow is responding to the COVID-19 crisis by creating a change-making movement. The Break Chain, Make Change campaign, promoted by Mission Better Tomorrow with the support of Nanma Foundation, UNICEF, the Bridge Institute, is making impactful interventions during the lockdown.
IG Vijayan's vision is to harness the creative and transformative energy of children, adolescents, and the youth to build a new social ethos of collaboration, co-leading to solve social problems and building communities that are imaginative and resilient to all crises of the future.
We must appreciate that the novel coronavirus pandemic is almost a war on humanity. I understand that MBT is fighting this deadly war with imagination and innovation. Interestingly, the inspiration for this fight is coming from children and youth. I have seen more than 3 lakh student police cadets in India and several hundreds of ORC smart 40s coming up with amazing ideas to contain the spread of this virus and make the lockdown period into a phase of possibilities and positivity. It is worthy to note that none of these children complained when the nation locked down. In fact, they were helping each other to face this unprecedented situation and helping others to come out of this trauma.
Under IG Vijayan's leadership, several organizations have come together to provide food relief operations for poor individuals and families who are finding it difficult to access food during the lockdown. This operation, supported by the Kerala Police, is called Feed a Stomach, which feeds 10,000 people per day. Government-supported policy initiatives like Our Responsibility to Children responded to the crisis by launching Kutti Dasker. The charm of this initiative is that the calls are handled by children themselves, who are handpicked and trained by ORC. On their part, the Student Police Cadets, or SPC, are coming up with out-of-the-box solutions to keep oneself motivated. One cadet even designed a mobile game based on the fight against COVID-19. The children of our land are taking this fight against the pandemic to another level. Our communities, societies, and everything around us are changing. We are learning new ways to deal with the crisis that has befallen on us. Each one of us has taken our duty to stay at home seriously so that we can keep others safe. This lockdown is a moment for all of us to introspect, contemplate new ways of living and working, and then act on our thinking to innovate.